What's happening?
No, wait! You don't have to do this! Help! She's stronger than me!
Your happy days are over forever, Pooh!
No! What? Stop this madness! Ah!
Pooh, you're alive. I'm glad to know it, my dear friend.
Hey! You're awake! That's good!
What really happened?
You see...
Pooh?
I need some urgent help!
I'm here. What can I do for you?
The bandages and food are there!
What? You're telling me I have to go through her? You've gotta be kidding me, Pooh.
I'm not exaggerating! I need some bandages and food in order to get better!
Yeah, I know, but is there another way to do it? She's totally scary, and I'm just a kid, dude!
It's the only way!
What? Wait, who said that?
She won't stop until getting all of us, one by one! You have to be ready, player!
What? Wait, how do you know that?
It wasn't long ago when I saw it all. Listen up, boy.
Call me Lionel Messi, I'm gonna win!
Your dreams. This is more fun than bathing. But it is totally necessary, though. Help me! Oh, be careful with my eyes! Is it done? It's cold! Thank you! You're the best, Pooh!
I'm happy to help! What should we eat today, huh?
Let me think. Everything?
That was awesome! That's great! What's that, Paulina? No! Watch out! Spider!
It's too late for her! Be one of us! Oh, it hurts! Pooh, help me, please! Oh.
Paulina, hang in there!
I don't think so.
Are you alright?
You're the best brother I've ever had. Oh, what's happening to me?
Paulina,
Run,
wait!
run!
We have to fight it back!
She no longer exists! Welcome, Spider Pooh, and die!
Stop this madness!
What's happening? Oh no, Paulina! Wait! I won't let you hurt your brother! Oh no! Ouch! She's stronger than I thought! Went from loving him as a brother to wanting him dead!
Am I the only one who can help?
Later! I don't have much time left!
Friend. Okay, you can count on me. This place is scarier inside, isn't it? She's close. If she catches me, it's over. What's this? No, let me go. I need to save Pooh. Ouch. Holy moly. I don't have time for this. The fish, it could help him to get
What
better.
are you doing here, you human?
It's not what it looks like. Or maybe it's exactly what it is, Spider.
Time to die! What are you doing? Disgusting!
And saving the fish for Pooh. I don't have time to waste. She's not following me, is she? Ooh, Pooh, I found some food, pal. You don't look so good, buddy. I hope this makes you feel better, my good friend. There you go.
Hey!
What now?
We still need a bandage! Look! I made a list here!
Oh, the bandage! I totally forgot. Do I have to go inside again? I'm so scared, but it's the only way. I'm doing it for my friend Pooh. How did you?
Right in the spot, little one! Come here!
Was she waiting for me? I don't have much time left. I need to find some food and... Hey! Found a pizza! She found me! Run! Do you want to eat something? Eat this!
Ouch!
She's angry now!
I'll tear you
Holy
apart,
moly!
boy.
Is that what I think? Some bandages!
Here you
No,
are!
I'm not!
My 8 eyes! You'll pay!
Before she eats me alive! Don't stop! I'm almost there! Holy macaroni! Ouchies! She's totally insane! Phew! I found some bandage and pizza. Here you go, champ.
Thank
It's dinner
you.
time. Be strong, buddy. You'll get better soon. I promise. Here, let me help you with that wound once and for all. Please get better. Great.
You saved his life!
I was the only one who could do it.
Fire!
No, let me go.
This is bad!
It's over! Ouch! Learn to behave!
Ouch! What are you gonna do to me? I'm just a kid. Stop it.
Humans are delicious!
I can't free myself from this. Please, think of Pooh.
Consider yourself spider food!
Not if I could do something about it, sister!
Pooh, wait. Are you evil now?
It was time to end this once and for all, and now it's time to end his suffering.
No, Pooh. Stop. We're friends. Don't you remember? I saved your life. Wait.
And I'm so glad for that. Thank you, player. We did it.
Holy moly. Stop this right now.
Stay with me!
What do you want from me?
I want you to play with me. That's all?
What's the trick?
No tricks, beat me.
All right, sounds good. Holy macaroni.
Let's go.
Wait a minute, where? Ouch! Are you sure about this?
Absolutely.
This is my chance to think of a solution as soon as possible. Please, I hope it works. Oh, Pooh!
Hi, friend. Wanna play football?
For sure.
Awesome.
Take it, hurry. Uh-oh.
What are you doing with that?
Why don't we play something else? Pooh, be careful. I don't want to slip and get hurt from the fall. doing?
Taking care of my pet.
Hey, we have to escape before he wants to kill us.
What's happening?
Did he hear that?
It must be the wind.
Let me help you.
No, I heard something again, but you didn't talk. Time to get everything dirty out of
What are you trying to say?
Ah!
Stop! I don't wanna. What are you doing?
Clean it.
So weird. Why are we playing soccer again?
I love feeling like Messi. Ouch.
So boring. What?
Throw the ball away and put the wheel on the car.
What's wrong?
Oh, do you want to keep playing? Try and get this.
Look at it bouncing. I love it.
Time to go. This shouldn't be that hard. How tense.
Hey, player.
What?
I want to play
I must hurry up.
again.